If you want to erase unwanted objects, people, or text from a photo in Fotor, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to open your image, use the magic eraser tool, and clean up your photo so it looks natural and polished. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Fotor's photo editor and load the image you want to edit. To do that, click Open Image and choose the photo from your computer. Once your image is uploaded, take a moment to zoom in and look at the area you want to remove. This helps you work more accurately and makes the final result look much cleaner. Now, look at the left sidebar menu and click on the Adjust tab. Inside this section, you'll find Fotor's AI editing tools. Depending on your version of Fotor, you may see Magic Eraser listed under AI Tools or simply under Tools. Click on Magic Eraser, or if that option is labeled Object Remover, select that instead. Both tools are designed to remove unwanted elements from your image. Once the eraser tool opens, you'll see a brush size slider in the left panel. This is very important because the brush size should match the object you want to remove. If you're erasing something small, like a spot or tiny detail, use a smaller brush. If you're removing a larger object, person, or text, increase the brush size so you can cover it faster and more evenly. Next, click and paint over the object, person, or text that you want to erase. As you brush over the area, Fotor will highlight the selection so you can clearly see what's been marked for removal. Try to stay inside the object you want gone, but don't worry if you go slightly outside the edges. You can always refine it in the next step. The key here is to fully cover the unwanted item so the tool has enough information to remove it cleanly. After you've painted over the object, click Apply or Erase, depending on what button your version of Fotor shows. Fotor will then process the image and rebuild the background texture automatically. This is where the Magic Eraser does most of the hard work for you, blending the area into the surrounding of Fotor so it looks seamless. If the result looks good, you're basically done. But if you notice any faint outlines, ghosting, or leftover marks, don't worry. That happens sometimes, especially when the object is sitting in a detailed background. Just use a smaller brush, paint over the problem area again, and click Apply one more time. Repeating the process in smaller sections often gives you a much better final result. If needed, you can also zoom in and make a few careful touch-ups until the edit looks natural. This is one of the best parts of using Fotor, because even if your first pass isn't perfect, it's usually very easy to clean things up with a second pass. And that's how to erase in Fotor using the Magic Eraser or Object Remover tool. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect for removing distractions from your photos without needing advanced editing skills. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.